Okay, so we start off today with this bob haircut. Looks like she's getting her hair colored. It is just absolutely satisfying the way he's doing this color. Oh, wow. Absolutely gorgeous blonde bob makeover. She's got the swoop bangs going there in the front. Oh, I love the way that the color came out. Gorgeous. So here we have someone that looks like she's got some grown out color here. Beautiful head full of thick hair. Looks like the stylist is doing some color for this one as well. So far it looks like she might be going like copper. Oh, so she got the cowboy copper hair color. Oh, wow. There is the before. There is the after. I love the fact that she has this layered look with the color. And it also features a nice dimensional look. Lots of highlights in here. Beautifully done. Oh, wow. He is cutting a lot of hair. So she starts off with like this mid-length hair. Here he is cutting it. Hair is on the floor. She is like shocked. And she gets a nice classic bob here. Nice curtain bangs to frame out the look. Very cute, classic bob style. And then we hop right into another bob. So it looks like she's getting a cut refresh here. Kind of a funny skit. A stylist should never drop their scissors. Oh, they got a piece of string on there. Moving right along. Looks like somebody is getting some color here. Oh, going shorter. Just a nice arrangement of styles. layered cut. We got a bob here, another layered style. Oh, look at that pixie. That was gorgeous. Her hair was so thick. All right, so we hop into another hair transformation. So she has a bob here. Looks like she's going to be getting some color. Hair has been bleached, so you know she's going blonde. There is the before and there is the after. Wow, I love her with blonde hair. So beautiful. The color came out gorgeous. Next up, we got a red pixie cuts. This is like bold red right here. Lots of curls in here, long sideburns. And then we have another color transformation. So it looks like she wants to do the money piece highlight trend. Color is going to be more on like the softer, sombre side, where it's not like super intense. Looks like she got some layers too here. Very pretty. Color is extremely subtle. I almost wish that the stylist would have did a little bit more oomph to the color, but to each its own. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all these cute hairstyle ideas that you can rock out this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.